Hey there, it's Anisha, and thank you so much for stopping by to check out my living room refresh. So here is a look at my space before. And here is a look at some of the items that I added to the space. My goal was to keep it simple, but add a few pieces to make it feel more warm and inviting. I definitely feel like I accomplished that with the small changes that I made to the room, and I'm so excited for you to see the final look. So let's get started. The first thing I did was change the curtains. My new curtains were quite a bit longer than the previous, so I also raised the height of the curtain rod, and these made a huge impact on the room. It feels lighter and taller, and I just love them. I'm also very happy that I decided to go with white curtains because it just brings in so much light to the room, and especially next to this very dark fireplace wall. The fireplace was actually my first project in starting to update the living room. I gave that a makeover a few months back, so if you'd like to see how I did that, I'll link the video here for you. Next, I added a blanket ladder. It is a nice piece of decor, but it's also very functional. It's a very nice way to keep all of your throw blankets neat and organized. After that, I added a floor lamp to this seating corner. And this little chair was another DIY project that I did for updating this living room space. If you'd like to see how I gave this chair a complete makeover, I'll put a link to that here. Next, I added new pillow covers to all of my existing throw pillows. Then I rolled out the new area rug and got that situated into place. And after that, I got started on hanging the wall clock. This wall clock is also a project that I made quite some time ago, and I just never got around to hanging it. So what you see here is me just installing some picture frame wire to get the clock ready to be hung. And after that, I added the clock mechanism and arms, as well as a little decal to finish it off. And after that, the room was done. I added a few other accessories that I had around the house. And here is the finished look. I'm so happy with how the room turned out. It's warm, it's inviting, it's cohesive, and I just really love it. I hope you enjoyed watching this room refresh. And if you did, I'd love it if you would subscribe to my channel if you are new, as well as give the video a thumbs up on your way out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.